आई बहार आज आई बहार बहार आज आई बहार गुलशन में दिए फूलों के हार बहार आज आई बहार।
Known in many parts of the world, certainly to the older generation, perhaps not so familiar to younger people. Whose voice is this?
मेरे दिल में भी ताज़ा उमंगे बही, मेरे दिल में भी ताज़ा उमंगे बही, आरज़ुएं बढ़ी और कैसी बढ़ी लिए। नगरी की डगर डगर में लाखों है जमजाल, कसती गर्मी सर्दी गर्मी एक सांचे में ढाल, जगने जले पवन के जाल।
Pankaj Malik had a long journey through the world of music. It is not easy in 20 minutes to span such a rich life, but some glimpses provide an insight into his thinking and attitude towards life.
It is coming to my memory that how could I learn song? My father, Mani Mohan Malik, used to celebrate Rasai Yatra festival every year. My father used to invite few noted Bengali singers, give their musical performances. In one of these years, particularly Shri Durgadass Bandyopadhyay, whom I used to later call him as Dada, he told my father, why don't you ask your son to give us a song in this festival? My father didn't object. Anyway, I gave my song. And that was a song, a devotional song no doubt, but a song from stage play. Stage play was Joydev. And that prompted me to learn music.
The social revolution led by Raja Ram Mohan Rai and others in Bengal led to the 20th century novel, to a new poetry, to modern art and to modern music. Symbolizing this movement was Jorashakro, the home of the Tagore family. In 1925, Rabindranath Tagore heard of a young man who, it was said, sang one of his poems most beautifully. This led to a meeting at which Pankaj Malik sang for Tagore.
দিনের শেষে ঘুমের দেশে ঘোমটা পরা ভুলালো রে ভুলালো মোর প্রাণ ও পারেতে সোনার কুলে আধার মোরে কোন মায়া গে গেল কাজ ভাঙানো ga.
Together with the revolution in art came the revolution in technology. Radio came to India. Pankaj Malik seized upon this new medium. He was one of the pioneers of music broadcasting in India. The blend of classical and folk music, developed by Tagore and others into a new form, came to be known as Rabindra Sangeet. Although known in Bengal, it was Pankaj Malik's voice that took this music to the masses of India. Pankaj Malik held a music teaching program on radio every Sunday for 45 years, until just before his death.
It was perhaps in the year 1931, a Punjabi gentleman came to the Calcutta radio station. He went to see the director of programs, Mr. Nipendranath Majumdar. Mr. Majumdar told me, have an audition of his voice. So his name was Mr. K.L. Saigal, Kundalal Saigal.
Pankaj Malik was charmed by Saigal's voice and promoted him on radio. The singer and the composer became close friends. Indeed, some years later, Saigal played the role of a radio artist in a film, Dushman, for which Pankaj Malik composed the music. Founded by B.N. Sarkar more than 50 years ago, New Theatres of Calcutta is one of the legendary homes of Indian cinema. The studio which gave to millions of people directors like Devaki Bose, Pramatesh Barua and Nitin Bose, singers like K.C. Dey, Saigal, Pahadi Sanyal, Uma Shashi, Kanan Bala, and of course the two great music maestros, Raichand Boral and Pankaj Malik. Of all of them, however, it is significant to remember that Pankaj Malik alone was an actor, singer and composer.
আমি এখন আমার বন্ধুবর পঙ্কজ কুমার সম্বন্ধে আমি বলবো।
Raichand Boral, the senior composer at New Theatres, remembers Pankaj Malik with great affection and recalls that having worked with him as an associate, Pankaj Malik burst into the limelight, composing music for the film Mukti.
তারপরে যখন আমাদের কাজ বাড়তে লাগলো, তখন পঙ্কজ বাবুকে মুক্তি ছবি সেই সময় থেকে ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি উনি কাজ আরম্ভ করলেন।
ना था छोटा प्रेम न छोटा, ना था छोटा प्रेम न छोटा.
Pankaj Malik found special fulfillment in a film called Nartaki, not only because he was a scholar of classical and contemporary literature, but a poet at heart. And here he lives the part of a poet.
बोल रे ज्ञानी बोल, क्या सच्चा क्या झूठा, बात का पालन झूठा. प्रेम का नाता छोटा.
B.N. Sarkar, the founder of New Theatres, has this to say.
Regarding the music side, I had Mr. Pankaj Malik and Mr. R.C. Baral to look after it. They started together, R.C. Baral being the head, and Pankaj Malik started as assistant in the beginning. And then Pankaj Malik got an independent assignments and also had acting roles. And we tried to blend the music and the drama as best as we can, depending on the requirements of the story.
रुत जवान है मत भरी रुत जवान है रुत जवान है गाल रंग भरे मन उमंग भरे गाल रंग भरे मन उमंग भरे आँख रत टपकाए रुत जवानी है मत भरी रुत जवानी है
পঙ্কজ বাবুর গায়ক হিসেবে তখন বেশ সুনাম। নিউ থিয়েটার্স ঠিক করলে তাকে দু একটা ছোট রোলে দুখানা বইয়ে নামানোর জন্য, যেমন দেশের মাটি, মুক্তি।
Subodh Mitra, a fine editor and the person, it is said, who introduced playback singing in India, remembers that Pankaj Malik first played the lead to his own her first name Arun Lekha, the only child.
When my father composes, he doesn't take the help of any musical instrument. He just takes a piece of paper and writes down the notation there.
Oi sono madha dha dha ni sa re re sa ni sa uthilo akashobani sa ni sa 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 re sa re amor lokero khoya kya kamaya kyun bhaya kyun na bhaya क्यों सोच जा रहा है क्या पाया क्या न पाया सब छोड़ दे उसी पर
Pankaj Malik was always grateful to his wife and family for the patience and affection which helped him in his creative work. Without his faith, he was a deeply religious man. Without the capacity for love, he was a family man. Without his scholarship of the Sanskrit classics, he has published many scholarly works on music. Without his experience of the poetry and music of modern times, without his quiet yet tremendous sense of discipline, this man would have been a passing figure on the screen of time.
गुजर गया वो ज़माना कैसा
कैसा गुजर गया फूल तमन्नाओं के जिसमें कदम कदम पर हिलते थे, अब वही रास्ता उजड़ा बन है जिससे है आना जाना। कैसा कैसा गुजर गया हंसता हुआ चिराग के जिससे कोना कोना रोशन था, ऐसा बुझा के दोबारा जिसको मुमकिन नहीं जलाना। कैसा कैसा गुजर गया ज़माना, फिर आएगा जानने वाले जानेंगे। गया ज़माना, फिर आएगा जानने वाले जानेंगे। हमको न पहचानेगा जो कोई, हम भी क्यों पहचानेंगे। आजा